Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going straight to action. Identify the cloud service that's uploading your photos and unlock the device. Once done, open that service's app or the system settings and find backup or photos options. Make sure you're signed into the same account that's performing the backup, otherwise you'll flip the wrong setting. Now toggle off the main backup switch, iCloud Photos, Backup and Sync, or similar. This prevents further automatic uploads while you take follow-up steps. Next, dig into the app level and network rules so backups don't resume unexpectedly. If you want selective control, disable uploads over cellular and allow Wi-Fi only. That prevents background transfers on 4G/5G. You can also change app permissions so it no longer has full photo access, or use the app's pause sync or sign out option to halt activity immediately. Make sure to check linked devices. Once one device is stopped, others may still upload until you repeat these steps. Finish by verifying that automatic backups are truly off. Take a test photo and watch the cloud app status or recent uploads. It should not appear online. If you want copies removed from the cloud, delete them from the cloud library and empty the cloud trash or recently deleted folder. Make sure local backups you rely on still exist. Troubleshooting tip: if syncing unexpectedly resumes, check for multiple accounts, device clock errors, or a re-enabled toggle after app updates, then reapply the off setting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.